An electrician encountered an unusual situation: water leaking from an electrical receptacle located approximately 25 feet from a pool when the pool filter was running. Initially skeptical, the electrician investigated the issue and confirmed the homeowner's report. Upon further inspection, the electrician discovered a section of the yard that was unusually soggy. Excavation of the area revealed that both the clean water return line to the pool and the polyvinyl chloride conduit feeding the receptacle were damaged in the same location, within the same trench. The electrician determined that the tightly packed ground was channeling water from the damaged water line directly into the damaged electrical conduit. The water then traveled through the conduit and exited at the receptacle. The solution involved repairing both the damaged plumbing and the damaged electrical conduit.